So for order of operations, this is an example here. 4 plus 3 times 2. Write that down. 4 plus 3 times 2. Write that down. Okay, now stop and just watch me. What do you think this answer is? Raise your hand. Do this in your head. What do you think it is?
16.
You think it's 16. Don't write this down. That. Any other ones? What do you think, Dan? You think it's 10. Okay. Anybody else?
14.
You think it's 14.
I think that's
14?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's two ways to do this problem, but only one way is correct. Okay? I think 14, what did you do? Bridget, what do you do to get 14? Don't write this down. You did 4 plus 3 is 7 times 2 is 14, yes?
Yeah.
What did you do?
2 times 3 plus 4.
Is 10. So, which one is correct? This is the rule, okay? So first, and this is what we're going to do today. We're only going to put 2 rules today. Number 1, write this down. You do multiplication or division, that's first. So you multiply or divide first. We're going to change the rules and they'll be longer, but just today, you're only going to have either multiplication or division. You do that first. And then number 2, you add or subtract. Okay? There's only 2 rules today. So when you look at that problem there, step 1, you multiply or divide. Which one do you have? You have a plus and you have multiply. So here tells you to do what first? Multiply. So you have to do this first. Very good. 3 times 2 is 6. Write that down. I need you to just walk around and make sure they're writing it down if you want. And that they're writing it down correctly.
Mm-hmm.
And then plus 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. That's your answer.
Good.
Okay, let's try another one.
Do this, so it kind of helps you a little bit. Kind of do this little graphic, so you know that that's where you got the 6. If I think you meant to do that right answer.
So those are your steps. So let's try another one. 6, and use your multiplication chart if you need to. 6 times 3 minus 5. We have multiplication and we have minus. Step 1, we do multiplication or division first. So what are we going to do first here, Hanaline? Times or minus?
Times.
Yes. So 6 times 3,
Equals
yes. And then minus 5. And what's 18 minus 5?
13.
13. You try this one on your own.
We can't see it.
Oops. Okay, do this one on your own. 4 plus 7 times 2. If you want to take those three there, I'll take these three and you can take these three.
3 people. Okay.
Yeah, 3.
Rows.
So 4 plus 7 times 2.
Oh, there you go. Okay. So which would you do first? We have a plus.
What do you do first?
We have a times.
Multiply.
Which do we do first?
You have to do that first.
Times first, yeah. So what is 7 times 2? And if you don't know, you can use your multiplication chart or your calculator.
You have to do this first. And then bring.
Mhm.
And now do that.
Okay, so, good, yes, perfect. Then like 14. Now bring this 4. Bring that down, 4, and the plus sign. Okay, and now what is 4 plus 14?
All right, so if we look up here, we have plus and we have times.
Very good.
Our first step, we times. So it's 14 plus 4 and equals 18.